she is, looking good. Looking good. Right, Meeks? He photobombed us. Today we're at CBRC here in Visalia, California. It's a beautiful day after some heavy weather, and today my buddy Doug's going to be taking up the Freewing A-10. He's got a custom paint job on here. He did some upgrades since the last video I did on this one about 2 years ago, so we're going to check out the new motors and see how well, and see what kind of sound this thing has got out of here. But otherwise this plane is nice, so let's check this one out.
And with the weight of the spinners and the different props that I'm using, they're lighter, is a little over a pound I saved in weight. Those spinners are...
Alright, up, and away we go. I was expecting you to go to the right, but you went left. Those motors sure sound good. It's like they're pushing some air. It's about 40 degrees out here. Yesterday we had some pretty big storms come through this week. Expect some more in a few days, so we are out here flying, trying to take advantage. Look at that. Thing looks so nice. It's scooting pretty good.
I fly a little over half throttle like this to conserve my battery.
How's this thing eat batteries? Pretty good? Well, that's a lot. You can put almost get another minute out of that.
But I was flying it pretty conservative, you know. I go wide open, 2 minutes, about 3.5 minutes.
Get us a good presentation pass. Well, you're kind of high. There you go. There you go. Woo!
Look at it, back it. See it back up a little bit?
Yep. Let's put it in reverse. There you go. You did that like a pro. Loud one. Well, folks, that's the A-10. This is the version 1 of the twin 80 millimeter, correct? All right. Look at that paint job on there. You cannot beat that.